Tom.
With Baby. We are the team. The Familia.
Nikla.
From Philippines, here in Maragande Ocean Resort with
Love.
Welcome po sa aming family outing. Dito lang po yan sa Maragande Ocean Resort here in
Davao City!
Nana sila! Ate H! Kuya Thomas! Baby Baby! Mga Pakistan Hi, Kuya Thomas! Bakit ang cute-cute mo? Nani yung peanut? Ay, mani! Nani yung mani?
This is fiesta.
How is it, Kuya Thomas? It looks like fiesta. It looks like a feast.
Siya wala.
Siya po wala. Ay, ka-cute niya. Ay, sayaw.
Tita Rose.
Momsy!
Pak! Grabe ang pagsalubong ng hostel family sa atin. Kahit late na kaming dumating, ayan, parang VIP treatment. Obviously, kararating lang po naming tatlo dyan and it's already past lunch at mag 1 o'clock na ng hapon po niyan. If nasundan nyo po ang mga Pinas vlogs or videos namin, ay sure po ako na di kayo magiging curious if bakit kami late na dumating. But for the sake sa lahat ng mga nanonood sa atin at laging sumusuporta, sige na nga, recap muna tayo. This day ay mayroong cold si Habi, kaya late na siyang nagising sa umaga. Kay tungod gasubawan gayud siya sa Bisaya pa. 5 araw kasi kami sa isang 5-star resort sa kabilang isla. Sa harap lang ito ng Davao City ay makikita mo na. At during our stay doon ay grabe ka sunny days. Naapay anak na si Faith na gusto mag-swimming sa pool and sun playing sa beach always. And yun, after namin doon sa resort, the Pearl Farm Beach Resort, ay eto, the weekend ay family outing naman dito sa Maragande Ocean Resort.
Ako na, tilong eh sila Remy, ganahan sila.
Lala! And Baby Baby.
Video mo ni Momsi.
Namin siya. Ouch! Ouch! Oh yeah, ice. Ice. Hot.
It's Sunday.
It's family day!
Actually, Sunday lang din po ang usually bonding namin as a complete household family. Of course, it's rest day.
Yes!
Walang work ang mga titas, titos, mga mommies and daddies na trabahante. At walang pasok naman ang mga kiddos, mga pamangkin na mga estudyante. Kaya relax and family bonding today's our duty. From Barangay Panakan to Bago Aplaya, Davao City ang gibiyahe sa akong family. And mostly di ay samua, kay dugay na kayo dinhi nakaanhi. Siguro tong bata pa ko like nung elementary. But see, karon nindot na kaayo ang
Yes, Sunday!
definitely you will experience ultimate getaway with your family here in
Davao City!
Because there's a lot of fish there and
Yeah,
big
fish.
and big fishes like range for way more. That is why I love this place because there's no tao, there's no other people here. It's not noisy and you can relax. And there's a lot of fish.
Mommy fish. Where's daddy fish?
They're taking photo.
Lala fish. Lala. Ito naman si Lala. Where is Ming? Minky. Ming, waka na Ming. Okay. Where is... Where is Lala fish? Lala. Where is Minky fish? Minky. Okay. Where is Dongski fish? Dongski. Where is Axel fish? Axel. Okay. Where is Mama's fish? Mama. Oh, swim. Should see you here. Swim. Yeah. Where is Papa? Papa fish. Papa. Okay. Where is Nutsi fish? Nutsi. Okay. Where is Gigi fish? Gigi. Yeah. Ano ba pinalintan? La body na daw. La swimming sa body.
Little cousin is here.
Oh, bye-bye. Axel. Sige daw, Axel. Oh, Axel. Ha? Sige daw, Axel.
May fish dito, dagang fish. Gilawagan.
Bago lang nag-reopen ang Mergrande Ocean Resort. And actually, this video or vlog ay kuha pa noong same din na taon sa aming Christmas Pinas bakasyon.
Fish. With the fish, ha?
With a fish.
Yeah. Oh, fish.
Yeah.
pwede mo kayo gamit pagkain.
The one was is not much.
Fish, milk, tofu.
Oh my God! Atinge, basig mapakan siya ha. Mukulit ba yan nag-ambak, Atinge?
What?
Oh, mapak na. Those fish will jump if they were expecting food from here. Promise.
Okay, basta dili ka balik. We'll give food. We'll give food. We'll give food solo.
Who will jump in and let?
Someone earlier actually bite the finger because she actually tried to like that in the water with a lot of fish.
Sumunod ng anime ipupang.
There's also a lot of aquariums there.
Hello.
Of course, because they're taking photos.
Pagkaon ng fish. Kani lang pagkaon ng fish.
See, don't ski serious, don't ski fish. Don't ski Isi na masuko.
Oh my God, I told you. Remember when I told you if you will get your fingers closer to the water, they will really bite you because they're expecting food from you. Bye, Kuya Thomas! Photo of Momsy. Momsy, let's go there, Momsy! Look at the video. You will be amazed how big the fish is.
But this koi brings a lot of money.
Really, Koi? For business?
Koi, I have at work. I had a colleague. He makes also koi and a big koi. It's
Where's Lala?
Fish. Okay, fish. Yay!
ang usa sa pinakadugay na resort sa Davao City.
Wow!
And sa ilang pagbalik ug abri after duha ka tuig na pandemya, kay mas didaghan ilang amenities na we will surely mag-enjoy mo dinhiya. Parehas na ng aning duha.
Swimming? Swimming? Swimming.
Yuti! Yuti! Video pa ka the organizer. And Baby Pay! Yuti! The organizer.
Welcome to Rio Grande.
It's raining. Dagan pang wala namon na adtuan like ilang swimming pool, bougainvillea garden, restaurant ug uban pa na nindot gayod suruyan. Kay mikalit lang bundak ang ulan ug ang among Faith kay himbing sab iyang katulog sa iyang afternoon nap time. And pagmata niya kay padulong na magngit-ngit, so it's uwian time.
Ay, teka muna ha. Among mga tingog dili na ninyo madungog dinhi. Ayaw ko ninyo i-bash ha. Kay kanang background music sa muan ng Silingang Cottage, dili na ako Matag cottage dinhing dapita, iya-iyahay pa buhilog sounds. Masking dili ninyo trip, inyo na lang dawata. Bastang importante, wala mihilabti. And there's a lot of reasons to enjoy the party. Syempre, kauban among family.
with my family, wholesome family, especially Momsy, and yes, here from Rio Grande, Ocean, Portugal, Philippines, with
So to all, spread the love kanunay and show the panaginagugmaay. Daghang salamat ti ay sa mga lamiang foods na giluto ninyo Rosie, Kuya, Ate Jack, and Minky. Sa pag-sponsor sa foods, salamat Nutsi and families nila
Tita Ayel and Tito Kiki.
yeah, thank you, organizer, photographer. Oh, Minky, thank you, Momsy.
sa mga nindot na mga videos and photos.
Salamat Tita Minky.
Sa pagpayong sa mua
Salamat Tito Kim.
and sa additional videos.
Salamat Tita Cece.
Sa mga kiddos na cousins sa amo baby Faithy, love mo namo Iking Jr., Axel.
At ang Guya Tonsty.
Sa sa love and care.
We love you, Lala Mamsi.
And sa pag-organize aning family bonding, daghang salamat Lil Bro. Lakwatserong Baby Blue.
Salamat, Tito Nyuchi.
And today, thanks God sa gift of family.
I love you, host family.
Pag may time, don't forget mag-family bonding because family is not an important thing.
It's everything. Love, love, love.
Much love and respect to all.
Cheese is next to someone at British.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Daghang salamat po.
Salamat po.